gold remains confined in a range as traders await Fed signals. $3,700 holds the key. Welcome to your daily market update, where we give you the insights you need to make better trading decisions. In today's video, we are looking at gold. The gold price is edging lower for a third straight day, as traders remain cautious ahead of the Federal Reserve's monetary policy meeting minutes to be released later today. The Fed's policy meeting minutes for January will provide clues on the central bank's thinking regarding its next move after lifting interest rates by 25 basis points earlier this month. February gold was down 0.1% to $3,689 an ounce at 9:56 a.m. Singapore time after declining 0.2% on Tuesday. The metal is still holding near the upper end of a range it's been confined to since early February as traders await signals from the Fed on how much higher borrowing costs may go. Spot gold may face some resistance at $3,700 an ounce, said Brian Lan, the managing director at dealer Gold Silver Central Asia Limited. Gold has climbed more than 7% this year, heading for its best annual gain since 2020 as the global economy heads towards a recession amid aggressive rate hikes. While the Fed has signaled further increases are coming, investors are also looking at the central bank's balance sheet, which has been shrinking as a result of the central bank's quantitative tightening. The Fed is set to release the minutes of its latest policy meeting later today, which will probably show policymakers discussing the need to keep monetary policy restrictive enough to bring down inflation even if that risks causing a recession. Fed officials have signaled that they will keep raising interest rates and will keep them restrictive until they are confident that price pressures are abating. The central bank's balance sheet shows the total assets have dropped to $2.1 trillion this week from a peak of almost $9 trillion in March 2022. Goldman Sachs analysts, including Zach Pandal, noted in a report this week that the balance sheet runoff is already having an impact by draining liquidity from money markets and pushing up Treasury yields. Traders are pricing in a 90% chance that the Fed will raise its policy rate by another 25 basis points at its March meeting, according to the CME Group's FedWatch tool. Gold is currently trading near the upper end of a range it's been confined to since early February. The metal may face some resistance at $3,700 an ounce. In other precious metal prices, silver was little changed at $3.756 an ounce. Platinum rose 0.4% to $1,040 an ounce, and palladium was up 0.7% at $1,780 an ounce. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates. See you tomorrow.